welcome back to my channel, The Ant and the Story. One day little ant was drinking water from a river. Suddenly, the ant slipped and fell into the water. She was about to drown. A dove sitting on a tree saw her. The dove plucked a leaf and dropped into the water. The ant climbed on the leaf and was safe. After some time, he entered cave to catch the dove. He pointed a gun at the dove. The ant saw the hunter and bit his foot. The hunter missed his shot and the dove flew away. Moral of the story: one good turn deserves another. Thank you, friends.